Good morning. This is Teaching of the Day, episode 148. And I apologize for the sound and the device. My voice isn't fully awake yet, and it's windy outside and there's some traffic, so yeah, it might not be the best of episodes. The question I want to pose today is how can you expand your belief of what is true in interaction with other people? And that comes from me having I ate dinner with a group of people yesterday. I'm going to a conference today, starting today, finishing up on Sunday, called Youth to Youth Conference. And it's by young people for young people. And we talked about everything yesterday, but we landed on I don't really know how we ended up there, but I talked to two people from other parts of the world than myself about a psychotherapist called Bert Hellinger. I think he's German. Um, Sounds so at least. Um, and he came up with a theory called family constellations. And the basic premise there is that you, in some way, facilitate growth and traumatic experiences by accessing your previous generations' solutions and traumas. Um, and it's quite unclear, at least in the Wikipedia article, about how this is made and how this is done. Um, but I think it was a really, really interesting thing, although I wouldn't call it science, and I would say that in my world and in what I come from and with my education, I'd say that's uh, about as value or valid as the theories of Freud. Just on top of with no really judgments there. That's just what I presume, and that's my prejudice against the method when I read up about it. And I think that the most important thing in the encounter yesterday was just to realize that being right and sticking to the scientific truth might not be the most interesting thing here. Might not be what evolves us, all three of us as humans, and expands our minds. Um, it might not be valuable to any of us at all. And so I think that letting go of some pride uh, and letting go of some fixed mindsets that I've had has made me more open minded and more can't find the word. Uh, yeah, well, open minded and more open to take all these different views in and digest them, even though it might not fit the image of the world that I have. And so, yeah, how can you be better at that, and how can you open up to new kind of encounters with other people?